Welcome to the Money Breeder. In this video, I am going to discuss about market analysis and buying opportunities, uh, the border market analysis, the sector analysis, any trade opportunities. All these details I am going to discuss in this video. Before going into the details, this is the standard disclaimer. Please be mindful of it. And also this video, whatever the buying opportunities I was talking, this is just for the information purpose only I am giving. This is not for the any trade recommendations. Coming to the details. Let us go to the first, analyze the sector. Which sector is having the uh, move? The Nifty metal is the top loser, where it is having the 13.5 percentage loss. IT sector, which is having the 11.5 percentage, reality 8 percentage loss is there. Whereas the consumption is 0.4%. There is no loss and no gain. And also media, FMCG. Why these sectors are not falling? All other sectors are falling. The main reason could be like these are the businesses which are totally dependent, totally doing inside the India only. It may not be having their business outside the country. It is not directly linked with the USA. That is the reason these stocks are not falling. This is the buying opportunity for us to look into the bottom level stocks. That is other reason might be like, let's say big institutions like mutual funds, all those things, right? Since market is falling, they might have who is exiting from the market. The big people, whoever having the money power, they are going to exit from the market. After exit, how long they will hold the money? They cannot hold the money. At the same time, they cannot put the into the commodities which are like, the gold, silver, these things. Because what is the reason? The reason is the gold is already trading at a very peak level. If they pump the money, the gold start falling. That is the reason they may not pump into the gold as well. So other options will be fixed deposits. Fixed deposit they cannot put because locking period will be there. They cannot take out from there. Government securities they can put. Some limitations will be there. Equity funds they cannot put into the debt funds. That is another reason. So where they can park? The large cap companies which are having the inside the business inside the India only, and not affect much from the US. That is where money might be slowly parking into this area. This is going to, that could be the reason I am thinking. In case if you feel any other reasons, please post into the comment sections of this video. Coming to the FMCG sector. Let me track the tracking date is, if we see here, I am tracking from the March 28, from where the last 1 month data I am tracking. This is where the April month expiry started. Last 12 days data I am tracking here. This last 12 days only we are seeing this fear in the market. The where Nifty is the top loser and FMCG is the top gainer. Let us go to the FMCG stocks. What is happening in the FMCG? Let us find Nifty FMCG. In the FMCG sector, Dabur is the top loser, which is having some negative news. That is where one day it fallen around 8 to 10 percentage. After that, Tata Consumer is the top gainer. Britannia, Godrej, consumer products, Marico, Colpal, Nestle India, Hindustan Unilever, United Spirit, ITC, United Beverages, all these companies, trading in the green from last couple of days. So let us find any opportunities are there in this by looking into the chart. Let me go to the chart. Okay, this is the FMCG stocks. I'm checking this FMCG stocks on the weekly chart. Okay, any market good market structure is there in this, right? One stock is missing. That is DMart also. Okay, I added DMart also in this. Let's see what is happening here quickly. Okay, this Balrampur Chini Mills sugar company. Okay, if we see, right, this stock. Okay, the Tata Consumer showing very good strength. Okay, once here there is a gap, that's what maybe some I know small resistance is there. Once it crosses, it may the structure formed like bullish structure. Okay, Radico, which is alcohol company, it had little bit rally like Nifty and it started falling. We have to see it may retest here and goes back. United Spirits, same way it had the bounce back. Whether it will go or it will go up, we are not sure. Time has to tell. Okay, coming to the Marico, it was trading from longer time in the range. Okay, the structure is looking bullish. There is a small rejection this area. Okay, this area is small rejection is there 2-3%. Once this crosses, we can see good up move. Okay, these are the sectors affected. More from longer time. There is no move. You can look the now it's a time for this stocks which are moving. Colpal, okay, it had the very big move from which 50% retracement came actually. Okay, if we see this is the 50% retracement. Okay, most probably 50% retracement. You can look the opportunity here. This is the okay, and Nestle. I'm very interested in this stock, okay, because it had very good consolidation at the lower level, okay, and also if we see where is this consolidation, this was the after long consolidation in this area, it started upside move, right? This is where the upside move started. This is where the upside move started. Okay, breakout and retested back in this area. Okay, if we this is there is a probability of moving up to 2500, then it may correct little and goes like this. Okay, the Nestle India looking good. This is also Godrej, this is also formed the very good bullish structure. Okay, this is the very powerful structure. This is manipulation method actually. Okay, this is the spring, you can say. Hindustan Unilever, it is trading in the range from longer time actually. Okay, longer time. Here also we can look some opportunity. Britannia, okay, this structure also looking good. UBL and DMart. Okay, for the standard disclaimer, I am holding DMart and Nestle India. Both for the covered call I am holding. Okay, I'm waiting for to cross this region. Once this crosses this region, there is a probability of retaining the previous uh, you know high, which is like all-time high. Okay, around 5,700. Okay, that's what I wanted to cover in this video. Okay, what is the strategy to go for the long in the stocks? Okay, most probably I don't recommend for the buying the small quantities, especially in the FMCG sector, because the moves are very smaller moves. It cannot be move like 30-40 percentage by seeing the past data. So buy some heavy quantities like one lot in case you wanted to go for it. Okay, don't take my words as a too much personal and go ahead and buy. Okay, this is not like that. You have to study your risk. Okay, if you are able to offer the money which you are willing to lose, then you can go for it. Okay, just I am telling, since this stocks will have the very less move, so it is easy for us to manage the covered calls. That is what I meant. Okay. So FMCG sector is very good move. Okay, coming to the Nifty, let us go for the some Nifty stocks. Okay, let me check any other top gainer stocks are there. Okay, in the F&O, especially in the F&O, Siemens, there is some news, some split is happened. That's what 48%. Still, it is not reflected into my sheet. Maybe in the trading view or somewhere it is not. See, GMR Airport is the top gainer, Indus Tower, then Tata Consumer. These are the three stocks. Okay, top. This today went up by 4%. Lal Path Lab. Okay, and also Zomato, Kalyan Jewelers. These all the stocks, right, related to the consumption sector only. Okay, that is what it which are moving good. Okay, if you remember, Madam Finance Minister mentioned in the vote on budget, right, in the beginning, they gave the blueprint for the coming 5 years where they are going to give the importance. That time she clearly stated consumption and infra something she mentioned is the highest priority to bring down some inflation, all those things. So as per that only looks like consumption is moving. Okay, this is the very good opportunity at the lower level. One can look some opportunities with your own risk. Okay, I don't tell you which stock, all those things, because I am also like equivalent to you. Okay, coming to the Nifty, let me go to the Nifty. What is happening? Let us study broad market analysis. Okay, Nifty once again started this area. It took the bounce back. This is the area, because this area, right, this candle is like, okay, long leg doji. This area, entire area is going to act as a support. Good bounce back from here. It moved around 1500 points, then it started falling. The total positive momentum gone now. Okay, we have to see, it may retest back to 21,300, or it is going to reverse from here. Okay, we have to see the further price action. If we go to the lower level time frames, right? Okay, last couple of days here, the gap is there. This gap is acting as a resistance, and consolidation is there. Okay, last couple of days, right, 2 days, it was in the range bound. Okay, that means this is the big candle. Inside this there is a other candle. The market structure is not good. Okay, not understandable, right? Okay, this is open with the gap here, and staying there only for 2 days, yesterday and today. Okay, so inside candle we can call. This inside candle we cannot tell, okay, whether until this closes above or it closes below the further trend. Okay, and also this range is too big, right? 1000 points range is there. Okay, that is the reason predicting the Nifty is very difficult as of today. Further price action we have to see once it comes out of this range. Okay, 22,900 above that only we can start talking about the Nifty. Until the time, I don't want to talk anything on the Nifty. Okay, that's all, friends, in this video. Okay, look for some opportunities in the FMCG, which is trading in the green. Very early stage, you can capture the some trends and make some money. Okay, in this bear market, you can. Okay, and also one more stock in this bear market. This is the stock which is, okay, moved very good. My entry was somewhere here around 1800 is my entry. 1800, this breakout. Okay, by having this is the stop loss, and went and hit my target 20% and came back. This sector also looking good. Okay. And one more stock I am interested in Castrol Industries. This had the very big move here. It is coming for the retest. This area, I am looking closely monitoring. It is reacting positively in the lower time frame. I wanted to take the entry. I am looking for this one actually. Okay. This is where it is acting like some support. Most probably, I will trade in the intraday only. I will not take these PSC stocks to my positions. That's all, friends, in this video. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Please, press the like button, and also, if you don't like, I don't mind. You can put some comments in the comment box. What is your expectation, and also I don't mind even if you press the dislike button. Okay, thank you so much.